Hey guys, so today is a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing. It's very glowy and bronzy. I hope that you enjoy. It's so fast and easy, and I'm featuring some newer products to my collection, including the Milk Makeup Blur Foundation. This one is an old favorite that I haven't shared too many times on my channel, and it's the Giorgio Armani Eye Cream Shadow, and also my new citrus palette from Natasha Denona, which is the deeper of the two shades. I hope that you enjoy this tutorial. Leave a comment in the comment section down below so we can chit chat, and without further ado, let's get this started. I primed my skin using my Physicians Formula Argan Oil Face Primer, and my eyes using my NARS Smudge Proof Eye Base. I've done my eyebrows, and I threw on a little bit of lip liner and used my color correcting palette from Makeup Forever underneath my eyes. Because of my dark circles, I'm going in with my Giorgio Armani No. 8 Eye Tint. Dab this all over the lid. And I'm going to use my finger to dab this out. Let it fade up to the underbrow. I'm taking my Melt Cosmetics Skeleton Kiss eyeshadow with a Wet n Wild fluffy crease brush. I'm going to lightly dust this all over the lid just to amp up that Giorgio Armani shade. It's really a very similar duochrome color as the Giorgio Armani. I'm dusting this all over from the lash line to the brow bone. With my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, this is in the shade Bronzer. There's 4 different shades: light bronzer, bronzer, sun, and deep, something like that. Just lightly dusting that right into the crease. I wanted something nice and soft, so it doesn't take away from the light wash of color. Just to give my eye socket a little bit more depth. I'm gonna run my Marc Jacobs black gel eyeliner in my waterline and tightline with this. Taking a small brush, this one is the smaller side in the Urban Decay Electric palette brush, and I'm just smudging that eyeliner. My Morphe M578 brush, it's a chubby smudger brush. I'm going back into Skeleton Kiss and working this right over the smudged eyeliner. I'm throwing on a little mascara. This is the YSL Vinyl Couture. I'm using my Milk Makeup Fair Matte Blur Liquid Foundation with my Chikuhodo GSN 5 brush. To set that, I'm going to use my Charlotte Tilbury Fair Airbrush powder with a powder brush from Wet n Wild. And then I'm going to go back into my Physicians Formula bronzer with a big powder brush from Chikuhodo GSN 1. I'm going to bronze up the face a little bit, right around the cheeks without being too precise. I just want to give myself a little color. The highlighters I'm going to be using are a little bit deep for my skin tone. Hoping a little bit bronzer will help. Freaking love this bronzer. It's definitely one of my all-time favorites. The only thing I'm not crazy about is the scent. Okay, so I'm pulling out my Citrus palette from Natasha Denona. I'm going to go into the powder blush. I'm going to take the Glow Extreme powder highlighter. Looks a bit like a glowy bronzer on me. I think it looks really pretty still. I'm going to take the Diamond powder right at the temple where I like to intensify the highlight. I'm going to take a little bit of that on my fingertip and tap it onto the inner corner of the eyes. I think I want to intensify the blush just a tad, so I'm going back into that Chikuhodo brush, into the powder blush. I'm going to take a little bit of the Duo Glow, the yellow, and just slightly tap that right in between my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on the tip of my nose. Now the liner that I used earlier is Spice from Jonte Blue. I don't know this brand. I think I got it in like a subscription box. Over that, I'm thinking a matte lip. Let's go with Get It On from NARS Power Matte Pigment. It's a nice nude. And then finally, I'm taking my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray, my fave. Okay, so this is the final look. It's very glowy and bronzy, fast, easy. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you are new, subscribe, join my Cake Face family, and if you're returning, thank you for coming back. Love you lots, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye, guys.